Please, can this business be done anywhere or just a busy area alone? It can be done anywhere, but a busy area will favor you. It will favor you mostly. Where it will favor you is that it will lessen the stress of marketing your business, advertising your business offline. It will lessen the stress. Okay. Then coming to online, you will just shift the stress to the online side. Understand? But if you are not opportune, or if you don't have the opportunity, or seeing the area that is busy, just be managing anywhere you see. Then fire on online. Fire on online. Like, carry your market, carry your business online. Be advertising, especially on status, Facebooks, Instagrams. Okay. But coming to status, start with status with people's product first, like I said on my previous video. Okay. Post for like 2 or 3 weeks or highest a month. People will start asking you. When you start getting clients, start producing your own, start making it a brand. Understand? Use a pattern of your videos. Start putting your own logo. Okay. When you start putting your own logo, that's when you can carry it on Facebook or on Instagram. But on Facebook side, people's work, be putting it on status instead of on posts. Okay, be putting it on status. Likewise, Instagram on status, of which it can stay for like 24 hours before it disappears. But for posts, for videos, make sure it's your own work. Understand? Coming to materials, let me use private classes. Let me use it so that I'll be showing you the materials with video. Okay, like I said, materials I divided it into three for better understanding, for easier understanding. Okay, so the first category, the first group is gum, sandpaper, scissors, grass cutter, and big staple. Big staple, some people call it staple. Okay, big staple with the pin. That's the first category. These tools I just mentioned are the basic tools as a flame vendor. These are your tools, your working tools as a flame vendor. Okay, they are the first thing first you need to buy. Then coming to the second category, H tape, grass screw or grass holder. Some people call it grass suspension. Hook for hanging and brown paper. You can get them to keep for commission if you feel like you have enough money. Okay, so after buying the first category, the major tools, you can buy this second category in quantity if you paid attention to my previous video. Okay, after, like, when you are pushing it on your status, letting people, creating the awareness. Okay, first customer or your first client started you with that money. First of all, buy your first category. After buying your first category, coming to the second category, you buy them in quantity, in smaller quantity, be taking them. Okay, like I mentioned, H tape, is in quantity. Okay, if you have the money, the full length is 25,000, 27. You can buy them, you can buy it. Then grass screen, they are in quantity. Hook for hanging, brown paper, they are in quantity, so you can buy the quantity of the money you have with you. Okay, yeah. Then coming to the third category, remember, they are the ones you need to buy when you are commissioned. when you are commissioned, like when a client paid you to do this frame, that's when you will go to market. If you don't have the money to buy the full sheets or buy them keep, okay. And what are they? Acrylic glass, MDF board, frame poles, and plywood. Okay, they are the ones you will buy when you are commissioned. Okay, so that is it. All right. So, like I was saying, starting this business, after buying this material first, you can start at your convenient place, which is at home or those in school, in your hostel or in your lodge. Can be using your convenient place to start. Okay, along the line, you can then get a shop. Okay, it's when you are looking for a shop, like this comment I got. Please, can this business be done anywhere or just a business, a busy area alone? Okay, that this comment or this question she asked is when you are looking for shop. Understand? Look for busy area mostly, or or a community where you know it's hard to find. It's perfect. This is beautiful. Like in your community, this type is not in your community, or at all, it's very hard to see someone doing it in your area. If you need it, you need to travel. You need to go far. That's the best. That's the beautiful thing. Okay, you can start it as early as possible. Okay, that's all. And that's the message I want to pass across. Have a peaceful day. I wish you good luck. Thank you.